Once upon a time, there was a small, quiet village near a dark forest. In this village, there lived a brave girl named Elara. One day, Elara found an old magical map in the village square. The villagers always said, "Do not enter the forest." The forest was dark, big, and full of mystery. At night, Elara looked at the forest from her window. She held a glowing, magical pendant in her hand. Dark clouds slowly covered the sky above the village. An old woman told her a strange story about the forest. Elara decided to find the truth. She entered the forest slowly and carefully. Blue glowing lights appeared between the trees. The forest was huge, and she felt very small inside it. Strange shadows moved behind the trees. Old toys were lying on the forest ground. Some trees looked like they had faces. Magical glowing dust floated in the air. A dark river flowed quietly through the forest. Small fairies began to follow her. Then, a giant stone gate appeared in front of her. Elara walked deeper and found an abandoned village. A swing moved slowly in the empty wind. She entered an old broken house. Old family pictures were hanging on the walls. Objects inside the house moved by themselves. She saw a shadow of a child in the window. On the floor, she found a glowing, magical diary. Candles floated softly in the air. Broken clocks were frozen in time. Birds flew in a strange and unnatural way. Soon, Elara saw a huge, haunted castle in the fog. The castle doors opened slowly by themselves. Inside, everything was dark and silent. A long staircase went up into the shadows. The portraits on the walls looked alive. Elara saw her reflection change in the mirror. The royal hall was broken, but still magical. A ghost queen sat quietly on a glowing throne. Soft spirits slowly surrounded Elara. Above her, the ceiling opened into a sky full of stars. Suddenly, bright fairies appeared in the air. They flew gently around Elara. The dark curse slowly began to turn into light. A spirit king appeared and spoke to her. He said, "This forest is not evil. It is protected." Slowly, the dark forest became bright and green again. Flowers began to grow everywhere. The villagers were happy and smiling again. The forest became peaceful and full of magic. And Elara became the guardian of the forest. Her story lived forever in the heart of the forest. And if you enjoyed this magical story, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more beautiful fairy tales.